These waste dumping sites have acquired a reputation of a ping-pong ball. Since the creation of Islamabad as the federal capital, dumping of waste has been carried out in the outskirts as well as on vacant residential plots. The latest visible site can be found opposite the G11 sector along the Kashmir highway, which connects Islamabad with the garrison city of Rawalpindi. This dumping of garbage is being done in the garb of collecting manure for trees.
This little board here says that this is a tree plantation site, but in the background you can see that the site is presenting a very grim picture to us, as there are the trees that are already planted here are dying thanks to the garbage disposal that is taking place here in the G11 sector.
Surprisingly, this ugly and smelly activity is taking place right under the nose of the Capital Development Authority. Hungry vultures coming for a bite of junk food is a common sight for a passerby. But the civic authority boss sees nothing and believes nothing.
But unfortunately, this has been, a low priority with the CDA, since we were paying attention to these mega projects and, roads and buildings. So, but it does need, and you're right, it's an important question.
Some CDA employees try to stop the DawnNews team from taking footage of this site. The nearby sector of G11 is a residential area. The people there can be affected by the stinking and soiled waste in many ways.
In Islamabad particularly, I think there is about 600 tons of garbage which is generated.
Dilawar is a police constable posted at the G11 intersection on Kashmir highway. He has to put up with the sight and smell of the waste dump. Does it matter what he feels and thinks? Maybe not. And the rich with rolled up windows of their cars are not bothered even a bit. Why should they be? If the authorities continue to turn a blind eye to the matter, this waste dump is sure to become a health hazard sooner than they can imagine.
This open dumping site has become a nuisance for the residents of the federal capital. It has become an environmental hazard and can result in a serious epidemic. As the population of the city increases, it is important for the relevant authorities to devise an effective waste management strategy before it is too late. Danial Khan, DawnNews, Islamabad.